Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson, Public Services Librarian here in the library at Union University. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to search in the database Business Source Complete.
Business Source Complete is a definitive scholarly database for the business discipline and majors with comprehensive coverage. To access this database, go to the library's homepage at uu.edu/library and click on the link called Research Guides. Scroll down to Business and click it. Now click Business Administration. Go to the Articles tab and select Business Source Complete. You are taken to a page with 3 search boxes. It is here in these search boxes that you will type in your search terms. You can also choose where you want the database to search for these phrases or terms by selecting a field in the drop-down box beside each search box. If you were searching for articles on the management of virtual teams, you would type in Virtual Teams in the first box and Management in the second box. Notice the drop-down box that appears when you start typing. This is a smart searching tool that will help you in your search process. Let's put quotation marks around virtual teams as to keep these words together as a concept. You can change the field options if you want, or you can leave them alone for now and change them later. Now hit Search. Once you've entered your search terms, your results are then retrieved and displayed. You can see how many results were brought up by the number at the top of the screen. You can narrow down these results by using the limiters on the left-hand side of the page. First, start with full text. This shows you the results that are available in full text. If you want scholarly, peer-reviewed articles, check the box beside scholarly, peer-reviewed journals, and you will see only results that are scholarly or peer-reviewed articles. You have a date bar in which you can narrow down results that were published within a certain time frame. You can also choose which types of sources you want to see. The Source Type option lets you look at results of a particular source type. One of the biggest hurdles in research is finding out which words give you the most results. So be willing to experiment with your search terms or phrases. You can use the Subject Thesaurus Term option on the left-hand side of the screen to give you more ideas about how to refine your search. The number beside each term or phrase tells you how many of the total number of results include that particular search term. Notice how the results are displayed. In the top right-hand corner, there is an option to change how they are displayed. You can have them arranged by relevance to your search or by the newest or oldest date. When you click on the title of an article, you are then taken to an information page where you can see the bibliographic information. You are also given an abstract of the article. In addition, there are more subject terms available for you to use in a different search. The abstract on this page is a summary of the article. This can be very helpful when trying to decide whether or not this article will be useful in your research. If full text is available, it will be indicated on the left-hand side. A link to PDF full text or HTML full text will be on the side of the page. To access the article, click on PDF Full Text, and you will be allowed to view it and save it by downloading it or printing it off. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For additional help, please see one of the helpful research coaches in the library.